Bo Moore with More Machine Tools. Today I'm here with Sadie. We wanted to highlight our partner success here with Rapid CNC Parts and the journey that we've had together. Behind us here is the ACCURL Genius Pro press brake that we integrated for them a little over a year ago.
It's made it so that we could turn into a turnkey business, offering anything from the laser cutting to bending to welding for customers that are needing it. The customer service was awesome. It's been really good. Anytime I have a question, I get to call you guys and you answer immediately and solve my problems very quickly.
Beautiful. Well, it's been a pleasure to be a part of your guys' growth. I mean, it's clear that the sky is the limit for you guys, so we're really happy to have you guys as a partner. Next, we want to go over the exciting new piece of technology that we just got done installing here, and sure to be another pillar of their successful growth, the new ACCURL Masterline 3015 12 kilowatt fiber laser. You know, to already add to you guys' impressive capability in-house, what made you feel confident in going with not only ACCURL, but More Machine Tools as your partner in this?
Well, like we mentioned before with the brake, you guys were just really easy, really responsive, and we love the ACCURL brand, and so that's kind of where we wanted to go, was to integrate the fiber laser, and we loved what you did for us before, and so we were very comfortable with going with you guys again.
Beautiful, I appreciate that. I mean, you know, it's no secret what you guys are building here is going to be hard to compete with for others.
Yeah, this last week getting this installed, your tech Damien has been great as far as education. He goes over it again if I have any questions. He goes back to give me background that it doesn't even apply to the laser to help me understand, even just down to the physics of it and why it works the way it works. He's been great that way as far as educating me and training me completely. Being a part of Rapid CNC Parts business has been a blessing. We're looking forward to the future and many years to come. So thank you. We'll be able to call you anytime if there's any issues. It's pretty exciting for us. Yeah, day or night, we're here for you guys.